welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm also doing absolutely fine. So today we are doing what I eat in a day. I think these kind of videos are super cute. I keep watching them all the time, so I thought chalo karte hain. Now I'm the kind of person I like having homemade food. Like all my meals are mostly homemade. Be it pizza, burger, pasta, I like to make it at home. ऐसा नहीं है कि बाहर से नहीं खाती हूँ, but mostly I try to have homemade food only. So yeah, my normal day looks like I'll have tea, then some fresh homemade juice and dry fruits for my breakfast. This is my everyday thing, like homemade juice I want. After that I move to my lunch. For my lunch I like to have a proper meal, like dal chawal, roti sabzi with dahi, salad and all of that. Then in the evening time, if there's a snack available at home, then I'll have that. Otherwise I just move to my dinner. For my dinner I like to have salad or a one roti with sabzi, and I also keep a track of my protein. So yeah, and throughout the day I keep on sipping water, and I like to have green tea, hibiscus tea, coffee, and even before sleeping I like to have a nice cup of green tea. And I also have like my protein cookies and all of these candies throughout the day. So yeah, you will watch all of that in this video. I'll also show you how I prepare my meals, so keep on watching.
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful, a star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel
Okay guys, so for lunch we are making some vegetable rice today, and इसका कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, पुलाव बोल सकते हो, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. So what I like to do is I like to add a lot of vegetables to it. मतलब घर में possibly जो भी available है सारे veggies डाल दो. And for my protein I like to add some soya chunks. और ये काफ़ी डिलिशियस बनता है. इट्स वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट मील्स. इसको आप किसी भी रायता या सिंपल दही के साथ भी खाओ, बेस्ट. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be adding. I have my soya chunks, some cauliflower, gobi, palak, tomato, French beans, ginger, garlic and chili, and some onion.
If I can play the guitar, 널 위한 곡을 수천 개는 더. 아마도 앨범을 한 6장은 내지 않았을까. 네가 내 가사가 되면 then I'll make a love.
So I'm adding bay leaves, red chili and hing.
Like a Hershey, like a Hershey. I'll make a love of you while you sleeping. Like a Hershey, like a Hershey, like a Hershey. 미안하지만 얼굴은 닮을 생각 없어. 주황색 머리도 맘에 안 들어. 네가 원하는 게 그 녀석의 목소리와 쟤는 기차는 만져.
Now we're going to add a soaked rice. Adding pani.
그거 바위 앉은 뒤에 손이 대일 정도로 뜨거운 커피를 마시고 널 마주 보면서 노래를 해주기를 원해.
Guys, so along with rice we'll have some beetroot raita. For the beetroot raita I've taken some shredded beetroot and usme we'll add some dahi. So I'm adding some black salt, regular salt, black pepper, and some chunky chaat masala. So guys, we're making the tadka for our beetroot raita. I've added some ghee. We'll add a pinch of hing to it, mustard seeds. Into this we'll add some curry leaves. Ooh.
If I can play the guitar 널 위한 곡을 수천 개는 더 아마도 앨범을 한 6장은 내지 않았을까 네가 내가 너는 곳에 내 감정 태우고 바위 앉은 뒤에 손이 대일 정도로 뜨거운 커피를 마시고 널 마주 보면서 노래를 해주기를 원해 Oh, girl, if I can't play the guitar 넌 오그라드는 걸 싫어하니까 난 절대 촛불을 100개 밝혀놓고 널 밤에 불러내서
So it's evening time right now and I'm going to have some hibiscus tea because why not? Why not? Hibiscus tea is good for your skin, it's good for your hair, good for your nails, good for everything, good for your mental health, your trauma also. So I'll be adding water. Looks good. So good. Very, very nice. I love it. Okay guys, so for dinner we are having pav bhaji today and I'll be making it because I'm the best, so of course. So we have our boiled veggies here. So guys, I've added my boiled veggies to my masala. So I've also prepared this chutney and I've chopped some coriander. इसको हम डालेंगे अपनी भाजी में. गाइस ये तो बहुत ही टेस्टी निकला, मतलब वाव है एकदम।
그래서 그 여자는 없었어. 네가 처음이야. 일단 나는 이 국수를 먹는 여자를
I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys next time.